To our esteemed past governor, Madam Lydia Ko, our dedicated district director-elect, Madam Merlin Sisanco, fellow Soroctonists, guests, and friends. It is my great honor and pleasure to welcome you all to this momentous occasion. The Festival of Young Generation, Coronation Night, and a night to remember, dinner and dance for a cause. It is with great joy and gratitude that I welcome you to this special celebration. Tonight, we come together not just to celebrate beauty, talent, and youth, but to embrace the spirit of giving and empowerment. This event is more than just a night of elegance and festivity. It is a testament to our commitment to uplifting the lives of women and young girls. Through your presence and support, we continue to make the difference, creating more opportunities, inspiring dreams, and fostering a future where everyone can thrive. To our young generation, tonight is a reminder that you are the future. Shine with confidence, lead with kindness, and never stop chasing your dreams. To our generous sponsors, friends, and fellow Soroctonists, thank you for your unwavering support and dedication. Mabuhay ang mga Soroctonists. Enjoy the night, and maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you so much, President Lando, for your warm words and for making this remarkable event.